Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Wayforward. Welcome to my fourth C Sharp tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be talking about conditional statement. We'll be talking about if in particular. So the if statement is a conditional operator. It allows codes to have one or more conditions. So I actually want to show you these and then we'll talk about loops. So we need to talk better another data types because I would need that there. So let's get started. um let me let me clear everything off. So we have a plain program here. So now this is the if structure. If, then the condition, and then the statement. So if we have multiple conditions, then we can use the else, like if, okay, this is a single condition. If this condition is met, then there will be a program here, and else is going to be here. So let's say we want to give it to all more conditions, then to be if, else if, we give it another condition here, and then the end of statement. So let's start with this basic here first. So let's declare a variable. It's going to be an integer, int a equals to 9, and then here it's going to be if a equals to 9, then there should be a condition here. So all these one here are called relational operators. So we have, here is my, so these are called relational operators. The double equal to sign means is used to compare, that's equal to, and then we have this which is called it's the greater than sign, and then we have this which is the less than. We have less than or equal to, less than or equal to, we have greater than or equal to, greater than, we have what again, we have the not equal to, which is this. Equal to, greater than, less than or equal to this. So we'll go by testing each and every one in this list. So if a is equal to 9, in which we know a is equal to 9, so you should know that this is an assignment statement. It is different from this one comparing. This is a relational operator. So let's say if a is equal to 9, then printf a is equal to 9, then the end of statement. So if we run this now, we should have a is equal to 9. You can see now if a is greater than 7, and say a is greater than 7. So you can see, so that's how to do, and everyone had to use a relational statement with a conditional statement. So now if a is not greater than 9, then we should have the else statement. So that's what the else does here. So now let's say a is 1, in which you know a is not greater than 7. So then there should be an else statement which is going to hold the output. So I'm going to copy this and put it here. Then let's say a is less than 7. So you can see a is less than 7. So, and as well, we can also put an if statement inside an if statement which is called a nested if. you can use something else like if a is greater than 3, you can have something here as well. So a is greater than 3, so greater than 7, greater than 3, so let's leave this to be 9, and then we should have the two outputs. A is greater than 7 and a is greater than 3. You can see if we have a next line, a line break here, then the two should be like this. So that's one thing about the if statement. So let me use just add another condition here. Else if let's do a simple example here. Let's do an example. Let's write a program to find the largest among three numbers that will be inputted by the user. So the numbers are int a, comma b, comma c. Then we have the printf, which is going to be enter the first number. Okay, before this, then it's going to be scan percentage %t, and then and a. I don't have a here, so this is like this. So we can now accept an input for a here. So I'm going to copy this 3 times, or twice rather. So this is going to be enter the second number, and then enter the third number, then this b, and then c. So we have successfully accept 3 numbers here. So now we have to compare the 3 numbers now. So it's going to be if a, which is the first number, is greater than b, the second number, and this a is as well greater than the third number, then we have a is going to be the largest. Let's try something like percentage %t. Where is the largest? So let's run this, enter the first number. Let's make a the largest. 9, 2, and 1. You can see a is the largest. Let me use the line break here. So let's run this again. 9, 6, 5. You can see a is the largest. So now with this, we have to give it another condition. It's going to be else if b is greater than a, and then b is greater than c, we have b is the largest, else c is the largest. So let's run this now and see. You can see 6 is the largest. Let's run this again. You can see 3 is the largest. So this is a simple program to find the largest among 3 numbers. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe to my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Thank you. Money come, bow, bow.
money come my worry to buy, I want my bow bow.